Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Wi-Fi drivers in Windows 11 step by step. If this tutorial finds you useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tutorials. If your computer is unable to connect to Wi-Fi, the first thing you can do is temporarily connect your computer to your router using an Ethernet cable. An Ethernet cable connects your computer directly to your router and gives you access to the internet. Once your computer is connected to the internet through Ethernet, click the search button on the Windows taskbar. Type Network Connections into the search box. From the search results, click on View Network Connections. A new window will open showing your available network adapters. Find your Wi-Fi adapter in the list. Right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. In the Properties window, click on Configure. Next, click on the Driver tab at the top. Here, you'll see information about your current Wi-Fi driver. To update the driver, click on Update Driver. Windows will give you two options. You can select Search Automatically for drivers, and Windows will search your computer and the internet for the best available driver. If Windows finds a newer driver, it will download and install it automatically. Alternatively, you can visit the official website of your computer or Wi-Fi adapter manufacturer. Search for the exact model of your computer or Wi-Fi adapter, download the latest Wi-Fi driver for Windows 11, and follow the installation instructions. Once the driver has been installed, restart your computer if required. After restarting, try connecting to your Wi-Fi network again. And that's it. You've successfully installed or updated your Wi-Fi driver in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips and tutorials. See you in the next one.